Yes, I'm here with Robert Carter with Slow Track Garage Doors. Tell us a little about yourself, Robert.
Well, like you said, my name is Robert Carter with Slow Track Garage Doors. Been doing this quite some time. Got a beautiful family. My wife Kayla, my two boys, and I got an amazing cousin when I married out of my league.
Well, that's great to hear. You do got an awesome cousin, beautiful family. You married way out of your league. Yeah, I agree with that. What are your dreams and admirations, Mister Robert Carter?
Well, the biggest thing for me is I want to take this from the slow track to the fast track.
Well, folks, like and share his page. You heard it from him. He's trying to go from the slow track to the fast track.